Okay, so the last step or the last section or the last thing I didn't speak about is how will you just execute everything I did in MySQL by just you downloading the script or the .sql file in my GitHub from my GitHub repository. So first things first, go to DBeaver. This is the DBeaver way. Okay, so go to DBeaver, click this here. This is for new SQL editor. Right click, load SQL script, select your script and execute it. There it is. You will find this script in my SQL in my repository. So let's close this out. Don't save. Let's close the DBeaver and let's go to MySQL. User root p password tool and give it the. So if you want to do it the terminal way, access the MariaDB, the shell, and give it the source keyword and the path of your .sql file. Okay, so the Python way is obviously easy. So data, create DB, the path of your Python file after you downloading it from my repository. Okay, that's it for this section.